guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Mamaearth Tea Tree range, which includes the Mamaearth Tea Tree hair mask, a shampoo and also a conditioner. So let me show you how my hair is looking right now. It's been about more than 3 days actually since I shampooed my hair, and there's also a little bit of dandruff because it's been more than 10 days since I actually did any dandruff treatment, and where I live, guys, it's like so dry. I think everybody I know right now here, at least where I live, has a dandruff problem. So yes, I was kind of preparing my hair for this video, and yes, that's the life of a beauty blogger. So if you might have noticed in my last few videos, I was wearing a hairband and just keeping my hair all pulled back because I didn't want anyone to see how bad my hair was looking. But yes, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the tea tree range, as you can imagine, this is basically for dealing with dandruff problems, and yes, that's what we'll be trying out today. So if you want to see how this thing works, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. So I'm going to start by first gently washing my hair in warm water to not only remove any excess dirt and residue, but to also open up the cuticles of the hair, which will allow the hair mask to penetrate better. The hair mask which I'm using is the Mamaearth Tea Tree hair mask, which contains tea tree, argan and lemon oil, and it has been specifically designed for dandruff and itchy scalp. So applying this all over my towel dried hair. Yes guys, the hair has to be towel dried, and apply it generously all over, leaving this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then washing this all off very well. After washing this off in water, I'm gonna take the Mamaearth Tea Tree shampoo, which also contains ginger oil apart from tea tree, and massaging my hair nice and well with the shampoo to remove any excess dirt, residue of the hair mask and whatever else that needs to be cleaned up, which means the dandruff. Using the tea tree conditioner, which also contains ginger oil, once again I'm just gonna apply this liberally all over my hair. I'm gonna wash off the conditioner after about 2 minutes, and here it is. Alright guys, done drying my hair. Let me show this to you up close. Do you see that shine on my hair? Oh my god. Also, by the way, let me show you the scalp. The scalp is looking very clean. No trace of dandruff whatsoever. I think this is very impressive. So usually after shampoo and conditioning for 1 or 2 days, my hair does look nice and everything, but this kind of shine is very new, and I can't stop touching my hair, guys. I'm so sorry. So yes, let's do something. If you want to know more about the products, if you want to get them for yourself, I'll put all the e-commerce links, everything in the description box below. Also, talking about Mamaearth as a brand, guys, like I always say, and I think it's very important to say this because I wish more brands were doing this. Mamaearth is actually a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. Also, they're a PETA certified cruelty free brand, which means that they love animals, they love the environment, and I love this brand, and I love my hair right now more than anything else. I love my hair right now because it's feeling so good. So yes, that's all I want to share in today's video, and yeah, for the rest of the details, everything in the description box below. Also guys, sorry, just prolonging this video, just one quick thing I want to mention. All the products in today's video that I showed today are also paraben and SLS free, which makes it so good and so safe for you. So yes, that's all I want to share in today's video. I'm going to finally end this video and touch my hair a little bit more after doing this video. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.